Hey guys. I don't know why I did the peace sign.
Who's dog then?
My camera.
Where is it?
Right here. Mom. Oh. Okay. Whale. I'm bored. Awesome. Okay. What? Once my iPod gets done charging, I'm gonna let you guys meet my family. No, that hurt. It's cold outside. I was just out there. But I'm really bored. And I don't know what to do. That dog's got green ears. And an orange body. That's weird. I'm so bored. Maybe I should go outside. It's pretty outside today. It's pretty outside. I'm at my brother's room. I think he's gonna get mad at me for it. Oh well, right? Don't like the way this is waiting. Okay, that's fine. Oh, that's embarrassing. It's really embarrassing. Okay, I have better socks. I am just not wearing them. I know. So yeah, I do have better socks, I promise. Pinky promise. My pinky's so weird, it's like tiny. I can't keep it straight either. Oh my gosh, it's a bird. I don't usually wear earrings, but I am today. So my sister bought them for me for my birthday. You guys see those? Right there. She bought them for me. And I want plugs. I just gotta convince my mom to let me plugs. I don't know what to say. This is really embarrassing because I have nothing to talk about. That bird is eating acorns. Have you ever seen a bird eat acorns? It's weird. I'm so bored. Like this. I have nobody. Oh my gosh, there's so many birds on the back porch. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's like 13 birds on the back porch. Boards. I didn't mean boards, I meant birds. There's a lot of freaking boards made out of wood. Here's another one. There's like 15. Holy cow. They love my acorns. Oh, look, that one's so cute. Oh, it just wants a worm. Dig, 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 dig for the worm. Hi, birdie. It's a bird. Oh my gosh, you're gonna get rampaged. Oh, look, there goes one. I didn't see that one. Knock, knock. Wake up, birdie. Why don't birds talk to me?
They hate you.
They don't hate me. Daddy, do birds hate me?
Who?
Birds.
Yeah, that's why they don't talk to you, sweetie. They ain't got nothing to do with the fact that they can't talk.
Oh yeah, they can't talk.
Yeah, they can hear me.
They won't talk to me.
Bastards.
Ah! I love you! They don't love me!
No.
Tweet, tweet! He's just like ignoring me. He's looking around. Oh, he flew away. Bye. Never forget me. This is what I do with my life. Bye.